Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to embed video in Shopify. So to do that, first go to shopify.com, login. So I'm just going to open YouTube over here as well. So let's say I want to embed this. Click on share and then click on embed, and here let's copy this code and log into the Shopify store. Alright, so now all you have to do is click on add pages. So I'm just going to click on add page, random. Now over here you can see the code icon. Click on here and paste that embed code. Click on save. There you go. Now if you can, let's view this page. So as you can see, the video has been embedded in Shopify. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.